34th one. Cos theta minus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. First we will take LHS. Cos theta minus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Numerator I will take minus common. So we will get sin theta minus 1 by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Rationalizing denominator. Cos theta minus sin theta minus 1 by cos theta minus sin theta minus 1. Numerator is cos theta minus sin theta minus 1 whole square by denominator is cos square theta minus sin theta minus 1 whole square. Now numerator if I expand, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by denominator is cos square theta minus open the bracket sin square theta plus 1 minus 2 sin theta. Here also you have square. So cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 1 minus 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by cos square theta minus sin square theta minus 1 plus 2 sin theta. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So that is 2 minus 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta into sin theta minus 1. Cos square theta we can write 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta minus 1 plus 2 sin theta. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So if I take 2 common, we will get 1 minus sin theta. And from the second term, if I take minus common, we will get minus into minus plus, and again sin theta minus 1 will be changed into 1 minus cos theta. To do this, I have taken minus common by 2 sin theta minus 2 sin square theta. Clear? Now if I take 2 into 1 minus sin theta common, we will get 1 plus
1 plus cos theta.
By here if I take 2 sin theta common, we will get 1 minus sin theta. Now 2 cancel, 1 minus sin theta cancel. We are left over with 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So that is 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. Cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. That is RHS. Sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta is equal to secant theta plus cosecant theta. Now first I will write LHS. Now tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So that is sin theta plus cos theta into square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta cos theta. Okay. This will become 1 and this will become sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta cos theta. If you separate it, you will get sin theta by sin theta cos theta plus cos theta by sin
Sin
theta.
theta cos theta.
These two cancel, these two cancel. 1 by cos is
Sec
sec,
theta
1
plus
by sin is
secant
cosec.
theta.
Take the next one, 35th one. 1 plus secant theta minus tan theta by 1 plus secant theta plus tan theta. Now is equal to, what do we have to prove? 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Now numerator 1 I will write it as secant square theta minus tan square theta plus secant theta minus tan theta by 1 plus secant theta plus tan theta. Here we can write secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta plus secant theta minus tan theta by 1 plus secant theta plus tan theta. So secant theta minus tan theta, if I take common, we will get secant theta plus tan theta plus 1 by 1 plus secant theta plus tan theta. These two are one and the same, no? We can cancel. So you are left over with secant theta minus tan theta. Secant is 1 by cos, tan is sin by cos. 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus cot A plus tan A. 1 plus cot A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A is equal to secant A by cosecant square A minus cosecant A by secant square A is equal to sin A tan A minus cot A cos A. Yes, now you see how I am solving it. 1 plus cot A plus tan A into sin A minus cos A. So 1 plus cot is cos by sin. Tan is sin by cos into sin A minus cos A. Now if I take LCM, we get sin A cos A. Here sin A cos A plus cos square A plus sin square A into sin A minus cos A. Now that is 1 plus sin A cos A by sin A cos A into sin A minus cos A. So 1 by, now we are separating it, 1 by sin A cos A plus sin A cos A by sin A cos A into sin A minus cos A. Now 1 by sin A cos A is cosecant A secant A plus 1 into sin A minus cos A. So that is cosecant A secant A plus 1 into sin A minus cos A. So that is sin A cosecant A secant A minus cos A cosecant A secant A plus sin A minus cos A. Now sin A cosecant A cancel, cos A secant A cancel. So you are left over with secant A minus cosecant A plus sin A minus cos A. So secant A is 1 by cos A minus 1 by sin A. Now from 1 by cos A minus cos A, if I take LCM, we will get cos A here 1 minus cos square A plus sin A, if I take common, we will get minus 1 plus sin square A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A, no? Sin square A by cos A. Here if I am taking minus common, we will get 1 minus sin square A. That is cos square A by sin A. Now I will take sin square A down. I will bring cos A up. Cos A if I bring up, it will become secant A. Sin square A if I bring down, it will become cosecant square A. Minus, now sin A if I bring up, it will become cosecant A. Cos square A if I bring down, it will become secant square A. This is the second part. Now what I'll do, first part is equal to second part I proved. Now I'll take second part. What is the second part? Secant A by cosecant square A minus cosecant A by secant square A. Now again I will take the reciprocal. Cosecant square I'll bring up. I will get sin square A and this is cos A. Minus, I'm doing these things according to the requirement. Okay. Now I take LCM. So we will get sin cube A minus cos cube A by sin A cos A. Now I am applying A cube minus B cube formula. What is A cube minus B cube? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square by sin A cos A. Now this sin A minus cos A I am not disturbing. 1 plus sin A cos A. 1 plus sin A cos A by sin A cos A. Okay. So that is sin A minus cos A into, if I separate it, 1 by sin A cos A plus sin A cos A by sin A cos A. That will become 1, no? So this is sin A minus cos A 1 by sin A cos A plus 1. So that is equal to sin A minus cos A by sin A cos A. See, first I am multiplying this bracket into this, then this bracket into this, plus sin A minus cos A. Now if I separate it, sin A by sin A cos A minus cos A by sin A cos A plus sin A minus cos A, we are getting cos cos sin cancel. So we got this as secant A minus cosecant A plus sin A minus cos A. So secant A I am writing 1 by cos A minus cos A I am grouping plus sin A minus cosecant A I am grouping. Cosecant I will write 1 minus cos square A by cos A plus A minus 1 by sin A. We can take minus common from the second term. So we will get sin square A by cos A minus cos square A by sin A. Yes, we got it. Now sin square A we can write sin A into sin A by cos A minus cos A into cos A by sin A. So this is sin A tan A.
minus cos A cot A.
Yeah, we got it. Okay. So this is how we have to apply the ideas. Like what to do to get the RHS and that too in a correct way.